It's day 17 of Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. Former OVP disbursing officer Gina Acosta was put on the spotlight once more as she faced tough questions from senator judges over her handling of hundreds of millions of pesos in confidential funds. Mobile journalist Fatima Baduria joins us live from the Senate. Okay, Fatima, patuloy yung tensyon sa pagitan ng prosecution at nitong former OVP SDO na si Gina Acosta. At itong si Prosecutor Ligutan, he even questioned why the witness appeared to remember details about Davao City during the defense questioning. Ano nga ba yung nangyari dito?
Denise, tama ka, no? There were several instances kanina wherein Acosta would say na she was confused whenever Ligutan asked her questions, no? Kasi kanina, earlier this morning, Ligutan asked Acosta whether she remembers that Davao used 460 million each year from 2019 to 2022 in confidential funds. That's a total of 1,840 million pesos. Ang sagot naman ni Acosta dito ay hindi niya raw maalala, no, matagal na raw ito at may edad na rin daw siya. So hindi niya na maalala at hindi niya masagot si Ligutan. But this afternoon, when during the cross-examination, when counsel for the respondent Lyndon Baquel asked her a question on whether COA issued an audit observation memorandum, notice of suspension and disallowance during the same period, mabilis naman daw yung pagsagot niya, no, rapido nga raw, sabi ni Ligutan na walang na-issue na mga ganito. So naalala niya pagdating sa period na yun. Ito, pakinggan nga natin yung exchange ni Ligutan and Acosta during this time.
Audit did not reopen any audit for confidential funds, correct?
Correct po.
Your Honor, sorry, but I have to
As you answered, Your Honor.
interject a continuing objection to this series of questions. May I state my ground?
I think I know what your ground is, counsel, but you may do so for the
Your
record.
Honor, magically, now this witness remembers in Davao. Kanina, when the prosecution was asking her, sabi niya,
Counsel is
hindi niya maalala.
testifying, Your Honor.
Wait, incompetent. Put in
It's-
record.
Fatima, isa sa mga paulit-ulit na nadinig natin kanina mula dito kay Gina Acosta ay yung nagtiwala lang daw siya dito kay Colonel Lachica, and those statements, those repeated statements came under fire particularly from or specifically rather from Senator Erwin Tulfo, who had strong words after yun nga, paulit-ulit na sinabi nito ni Gina Acosta that she just trusted Lachica and there were really no questions over the signatures, over the acknowledgement receipts. Can you tell us more about that as well?
Actually, Denise, kanina very striking yung tanong ni Senator Raffy Tulfo kanina, no? Ang tanong niya ay whether Acosta sees herself as smart, average, or stupid. Ang sagot ni Acosta ay average naman daw, normal naman daw, no? Pero ang ipinagtataka ni Senator Raffy ay bakit hindi siya nagtaka na iba-iba yung mga pangalan na nakalagay pero merong similarities sa pirma doon sa acknowledgement receipts. Ang average person naman daw ay magtatanong patungkol dito, pero ang sagot naman dyan ni Acosta ay nagtanong naman daw siya kay Colonel Lachica patungkol dito, pero ang sagot nga ni Colonel Lachica ay these are sensitive information, no? Confidential daw in nature, so he cannot explain, and Acosta had to take the documents as is. Eto, pakinggan din natin, no, yung sabi ni Senator Raffy Tulfo patungkol dito.
So naniwala kayo sa sinabi niya na confidential nature kahit na isa lang signature sa napakaraming pangalan.
Kasi
So you
siya
took his
po,
word for it.
kasi siya po ang nag-implement sa mga confidential activities, Your Honor, on the grounds. Siya po ang inatasan na mag-implement. Siya ang implementor po, Your Honor.
So for me, in this case, you are stupid in the name of blind loyalty.
Fatima, isa pang nagsalita kanina, no? We heard from Senator Lito Lapid raising the appearance of his own surname among the listed recipients. Ano nga ba yung mismong itinanong niya dito kay Gina Acosta?
Yes, Denise, alam mo actually when Senator Lapid stood, no, he even thanked the office of the Vice President if indeed a certain Lapid was rewarded from these confidential funds dahil baka nga raw kamag-anak niya, sabi daw niya. Baka daw, sabi daw ng tatay niya, ay lahat daw ng Lapid ay posible kamag-anak niya. So nag-thank you pa siya. Pero ang tanong daw talaga niya ay paano raw kung alias lang ito at talagang hindi naman ito yung totoong pangalan ng tao. Ang sagot naman ni Acosta ay again, she relied on what Colonel Chica instructed her to do. Talagang sumunod lang daw siya sa sinabi ni Colonel Chica at regardless kung ano pa yung mga pangalan na nakalagay dito, regardless kung alias, ay talagang tinake niya na yan as is. And then tinanong pa ni Lapid kung bakit siya magtitiwala kay La Chica, kung alam ba niya yung background at yung credentials ni La Chica. Ang sagot naman ni Acosta ay hindi niya raw alam. Let's listen to their exchange.
Papasalamat po ako kung totoong Lapid yung kamag-anak ko po kasi. Sabi po kasi ng tatay ko, basta Lapid kamag-anak ko. Kaya magpapasalamat po ako sa defense at kay La Chica kung nabigyan yung kamag-anak. Kung hindi, kung alias yun, paano yung pangalan at apelido namin na inalias nyo lang pala, hindi totoong tao?
Your Honor, yung mga documents po na yan ay galing po sa security officer, Your Honor, na si Colonel La Chica, Your Honor. Itinalaga po ni Vice President, Your Honor. Kaya po ako, nag-rely po ako, Your Honor.
Ba't yung pinagkatiwalaan si Colonel La Chica, may nakita ba kayong background niya? Nung siya, active pa siya hanggang ngayon, ano? Meron ba siyang intelligence fund sa office niya, na sarili niya?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo inalam?
Hindi ko alam, Your Honor.
And for right now, we're gonna leave it at that. We thank you for those updates, mobile journalist Fatima Baduria.